Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a CapCut tutorial how you can edit a troll face into your video. So just open the CapCut right now. So try to create new projects, or you can add your projects if you already have. This is for example I took from the library, and I want to add troll face into this man. So all you have to do, just tap on overlay and add overlay here and choose the photo, and here add the overlay here. You can drag into the first minute. Here we already add this troll face into this man. You can try to adjust the position right here. So make sure the troll face is the PNG file type, so you don't need to remove the background. So please feel to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.